Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about the Vesco bicycles. It is a kids bicycle which I have ordered it online. So let's see the quick unboxing and the detailed review of this product. So this is a 14T size model. Actually this 14T, 16T, 20T varies based on the kid's age. Since my kid is of 3+ year old, we have chosen 14T. So this bicycle comes with the 85% assembled, and only rest of the 15% you have to do it by yourself. So you will get all the required accessories to assemble the cycle. This comes with a tube tire which gives more comfort to ride, and also you will get a additional chain guard so that your kid's leg won't get hurt while riding. And here is the accessories box. Overall the packaging looks great, and they have taken a good sort of measures to prevent it getting damaged during transit. These are the contents which requires you to manually assemble it. So assembling is not a big deal, which you can do it by yourself. In case if you want an expert visit at your doorstep and do the assembly, then you have to pay additional 500 rupees. So we tried to assemble it by ourselves. So we are able to assemble it almost 95%. However, like some sort of things like brake fitting and all, which required a technician help, so we visited a nearby cycle garage and then we did it through the help of technician. So this is how the overall cycle looks, and it looks really great. And for the cost of around 2700 rupees, this is the best deal I can say. Outside market you will get the similar cycle for around 4000 to 4500 rupees. Here you will get a decent quality frame, but there is no bell provided with this cycle, so you have to purchase it by yourself. And main thing is like you will get a tube tires along with the steel forks, which is good, and nice chain guard as well. That's one plus point. And also like you can notice a good quality seat and a backrest as well, so which is decent. And again this seat is completely adjustable based on the height of your kid, so that's also one good part of the cycle. Overall the look of the cycle is also really great, and there is no carrier comes with this cycle. And next thing is regarding the brake. Yes, you'll get a decent quality brakes, so they work very well. Initially I was facing some problem, as I said, with the help of technician I'm able to correct it. And also one more important thing what I would like to tell here is like the chain was coming little tight, but with the help of technician again that's also corrected. And steel forks adds a good thing, and nice pedals as well. Overall we are pretty happy with this deal. Initially when we assembled it, we noticed that there is a hardness in the chain. So when I tried to rotate through the pedal, it was coming little hard, but with the help of nearest technician that problem is resolved. Apart from this brakes configuration, we took a help of nearest technician. I'll be providing the product links in the description. If you are interested, you can purchase the same. Thanks for watching and have a good day.